An investigation started by WFAA led to a landmark trial and now a guilty verdict. 4 years ago, our investigative team found more than 1,000 planes registered to a small town in East Texas and immediately noticed there's no airport in Alaska. They discovered that some of those planes ended up in the hands of drug smugglers, and a businesswoman from Oklahoma was at the center of it all. Investigative reporter Tanya Iser has been in court every day during the federal trial.
For weeks, Debra Mercer-Erwin walked freely in and out of this federal courthouse in Sherman. But after the jury delivered its verdict Wednesday, she left in handcuffs, escorted by U.S. Marshals.
We didn't see any other prosecutions that were similar in nature. In my mind, it is a landmark case.
A 12-member jury having found the aircraft trust company owner guilty of putting planes into the hands of drug smugglers.
This is a unique case. Obviously, WFAA's piece was instrumental in giving us the focus to see what exactly was going on.
WFAA's investigation began more than 4 years ago. We wanted to know why Mercer-Erwin's company registered more than 1,000 planes in a tiny town with no airport. What we found was a system allowing foreigners to register planes in trust with little oversight. WFAA's investigation found planes her company registered linked to drug trafficking, and that led to a federal investigation.
It's vital for them to know exactly where their planes are, who's operating them, what's being done.
Mercer-Erwin's trial played out over 3 weeks in Sherman.
The jury got to see how drug trafficking works, how everybody plays a part, how the facilitation of the aircraft is a vital part of it, and they understood it.
It featured testimony from high-ranking Latin American and Central American officials.
As soon as this case was indicted, the effect was immediate. The number of planes with drugs diminished considerably.
Lead prosecutor Ernest Gonzalez told us the verdict sends a message to the trust industry.
I think the message is we're looking at these types of arrangements more closely, that there needs to be some changes.
Mercer-Erwin now faces decades in prison. Her sentencing is not yet scheduled. Jurors also found Mercer-Erwin guilty of being involved in a massive Ponzi scheme. Hundreds of planes remain registered to her trust company, and it's unclear what's going to happen to all those planes. In Sherman, I'm Tanya Iser.